Want to create product videos faster and easier? Let's see together how VidAU can help you turn URLs into viral video ads and UGC video ads. Step 1. Log in and add your product link next. Find the Creative Center or select Create with Link. Copy your product URL from Amazon, Shopify, or Etsy and paste it. Step 2. Edit product details. VidAU will auto-extract your product details. Name, description, images, and videos. You can also edit the information to fit your audience. Feel free to add or remove images to match the flow of your video. Step 3. Select template. Select the aspect ratio for your platform. VidAU offers multiple templates. Just pick one and preview it. VidAU will write 4 different video scripts for you. Choose your favorite script, or you can write your own. Then VidAU will also match you with the 4 most suitable templates. If none fit, click Generate More to get new suggestions. After selecting the template you are most satisfied with, you can choose to export it directly or continue to edit and adjust the details. Step 4. Customize your video now. It's time to personalize your video. Customize the voice, add subtitles, choose an avatar, and adjust images or backgrounds to make your video stand out. Step 5. Export and download. Finally, once you're satisfied with your video, hit Render to export. This will take you several credits from your account. The rendering takes just a few minutes, and then you can download your video from My Project. Come and try VidAU today to effortlessly create professional viral video ads and UGC video ads. Enhance your content and grow your business with ease.